How to build an AI agent with Deepgram. First, open your web browser and go to the official Deepgram website. Sign into your Deepgram account. Now, choose how you want to build your agent. Deepgram provides official SDKs for Python, JavaScript, Go, Java, and other supported platforms. For example, with the Deepgram SDK, you can connect speech recognition, AI models, and other tools to create an intelligent agent. Next, define your agent's instructions and behavior. You can tell the agent what its role is, how it should respond, and what tasks it needs to perform. You can also add function calling, so your agent can interact with external APIs and perform actions based on the user's request. Once your agent is configured, test it and adjust the instructions until it gives you the results you want. That's how you can start building AI agents with Deepgram and connect them with your own applications. If this video helped you, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials.